Hello, friends. Hope you are doing good. Here comes another TryHackMe challenge. This is a beginner room, and the name is Bounty Hacker. So here it is. So I've just started the attacking the target machine VM, and um, so it says like you were boasting on and on about your elite hacker skills in the bar, and a few bounty hunters decided they have uh, take you up on claims. Prove your status is more than just a few classes at the bar. I sense pen and paper and beef in your future. So nothing special, no hint provided here. So we just need to deploy the machine and find the open port on the machine. As usual, we should go with um, uh, nmap first. So first thing first, I have noted down the IP address. This is my IP address, and this is the uh, THM box 10.10.204 triple two. Yep, that's correct. Okay, so let's copy this out and let's create a variable export IP equal to this IP, and then let's start the nmap scan hyphen sv for version, scc for skip, and dollar $IP and Kali. It will take a while. Meanwhile, what we can do, since the machine is already on, we can try checking if there are 80 port available. Yes, we can open. So it says spike. Oh, look, you are finally up. It's about time. 3 more minutes. Blah blah blah. Um, Nothing special or extraordinary here. You should access to the device they are talking about on my computer. Okay, let's check the source of this page. No comment or no script available here. It is just plain text, and this is the JPEG which is shown there. Okay, so there are a couple of things here, like if the image file is provided, we can check if some hidden string or something is mentioned in this image, but we will come this to later. Let's see if the scan is complete. Yes, it is. So there are three ports open: 21, 22, and 80. 80 we have already checked. This is Apache. 22 is SSH. So there can be a login step available on this server using SSH, and then 21 is FTP. If this 22 SSH port would not have been open, then most likely we had to find a way to exploit this web service and upload some reverse shell script or something. But since SSH is there, so most likely there will be a step involved where we will be using SSH login. Okay, so the third port is FTP, and you can see anonymous FTP login allowed. So we don't need any username password to use this, but here it says login logged in as FTP. So most likely this is the user, but the password is not uh, needed here. Okay, so let's try to log in. There are a couple of ways. We are using just a plain FTP command and $IP. So it says the name. Let's enter, but login failed. Exit, try it again, and let's use FTP user as stated in net nmap log. So FTP user and login is successful. So we can check what all commands are available here using help in case you don't know. So the basic command is dir to check if there are files. Yes, there are two files. And then there is a get command and put command to retrieve and upload some files in case if we need. So let's check what is written here. So we can use get command. logs.txt and get command task.txt. There is another command which is mget, I believe. Yes, multiple file get. So we can download multiple files using this command because there were only two files. We used get command. Okay, so we got both the commands lock and task. Let's see what is the question, what is the next question here. So find the ports and who wrote the task list. So most likely it is talking about this task file. So let's see what is written here. Project vicious plan for red eye pickup on the moon. Nothing special. It says Lin, so the answer should be Lin. Submit. Yep. Okay, so we are on track. What service can you brute force with the text file found? So what is the other text file? Cat uh, logs.txt. Okay, so some random characters with symbols and all. So this looks like a passwords, lots of password, and the question says like what service can you brute force with the text file found. So in the text file we got multiple passwords, we got the user lane, and we need to brute force some service. So which service we can try uh, to brute force? Obviously FTP is anonymous, we already got into it. In web there is no login page, so the only service which is left is SSH, obviously. Okay, so there is a tool called Hydra. So which can be used to brute force multiple services, like web service, SSH, FTP. You can see FTP is also written here, IMAP, a POP3. So it is flexible in term of services. So L for login using a login name and P for password or a file list. So we can provide user list and slash or a password list. So we have one user and multiple passwords. So we will be using one user and then multiple password using the password file. Okay, so let's try it out. We don't need sudo hydra. Then L is user lin, and then hyphen P is password file logs.txt. Yes. So um, so small p if we are using a single password, capital P if we are using a file, and the same goes for small l and capital L. So small l here and capital P. Uh, Next thing is what we want to brute force. So we want to brute force the SSH service, and this correct syntax is this as mentioned in the example. So FTP example says FTP colon slash slash then the IP address, and it's better to give a port, although it is SSH, but uh, this will work. Okay, so it is trying. Okay, so there is one success. So this is the SSH, this is port user, and this is the password. So we got the password. Let's copy this in our subline, and this is the password. So let's log into the box using the password which we got just now. So I'm typing the IP address manually 10.204.222. So the user was Lin, and the password is, let me paste it. Yep, so the password has worked. Let's see what is here. There is a user flag. We can uh, grab it. Yep. Okay, so first thing first, if we have the password, so we can check what we can run using sudo. So enter the password, so we can run /. tar using sudo, and we will get root access. So let's jump quickly to GTFO bin, and let's see if there is any syntax or any information available for tar. Yes, the tar is available with sudo permission. Yeah, so basically what it will do, we will be able to run the bash command using sudo. So we will get escalated privilege wallet success. Yes, here comes the root access. So can we grab the root flag? Most likely sitting in root directory, root.txt. Yes, we can. Okay, so we have completed this lab. I hope you have enjoyed this lab and learned new things. So the new tool which we have learned today is Hydra. We can brute force usernames or passwords or both for any service like FTP, HTTP, IMAP, POP, POP3, and any other service which accept a username and password. So I hope these labs, these videos are useful, and you are able to learn very basic things at beginner level, and you are enjoying these labs. If so, please subscribe and keep watching these videos. I will bring more videos like this. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye bye.